Hello YouTube, I'm Freely from YouTube and I'm back with another video. So in this channel you can find photo and video editing tutorials as well as camera and cinematography. So many people have questions based on how to export videos from After Effects. They have made their project without even knowing how they will export their video. So I'm gonna teach you that. Why I'm holding that, I don't know why I'm doing this, but let me explain it to you. Without giving this video a dislike first, I'm gonna explain that in 2019 version of After Effects, you cannot export H.264 codec without having Adobe Media Encoder. So you have to have Adobe Media Encoder, and there is no way you can do it without that. If you can, then please also teach me that. But you cannot do it. Previously, we would just download QuickTime and the issue was fixed. But now things are not the same. Now you have to have the Adobe Media Encoder. So first of all, download Adobe Media Encoder and then
why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but
so I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for videos like this. Peace out.